Welcome back to the course on international political economy. In our last lecture, we delved into the economic theories of comparative advantage and the actuarial model, which explain why countries trade and the potential gains from specialization. Today, we will shift our focus to the political economy of trade policy, exploring the ongoing debate between protectionism and free trade. Protectionism. Protectionism refers to the government policies that restrict or regulate international trade to protect domestic industries from foreign competition. Think of protectionism as the reigning champion, always guarding the home turf. Governments use protectionist policies to shield domestic industries from foreign competition. It's like putting up a wall around your businesses and workers to protect them. These policies can take the following forms. Tariffs. Taxes imposed on imported goods, making them more expensive and less competitive compared to domestic products. Quotas. Limits on the quantity of imported goods, restricting their availability in the domestic market. Subsidies. Financial assistance provided to domestic producers, lowering their cost and making them more competitive. Regulations. Rules and standards that make it more difficult for foreign products to enter the domestic market, such as health and safety standards or technical requirements. Arguments for protectionism. Protecting infant industries. It shields new industries from foreign competition, allows them to grow and become competitive. Safeguarding national security. It ensures domestic production of essential goods like food, medicine, and defense equipment. Protecting jobs. It shields domestic workers from job losses due to foreign competition. Correcting trade imbalances. It reduces imports to address a trade deficit. Promoting fair trade. It counters unfair trade practices by other countries, such as dumping, selling goods below cost. Free trade. Free trade refers to the absence of government barriers to international trade, and it allows goods and services to flow freely across borders. It is based on the principle that countries should specialize in producing goods and services in which they have a comparative advantage and trade with other countries to obtain goods and services they cannot produce efficiently. Arguments for free trade. Increased efficiency. Specialization and trade lead to more efficient allocation of resources and lower cost. Higher consumer welfare. Free trade lowers prices and increases the variety of goods available to consumers. Economic growth. Free trade promotes competition, innovation, and economic growth. International cooperation. Free trade fosters cooperation between countries and can help prevent conflict. The debate. The debate between protectionism and free trade is a complex and ongoing one. Both sides have valid arguments, and the optimal trade policy often depends on specific circumstances. In practice, most countries adopt a mix of protectionist and free trade policies. The challenge is to find the right balance between protecting domestic industries and workers while reaping the benefits of international trade. The World Trade Organization, which we will discuss in our next lecture, plays a crucial role in promoting free trade and resolving trade disputes between countries. In conclusion, understanding the political economy of trade policy is crucial for understanding how governments make decisions about trade and the impact of those decisions on domestic and international economies. The debate between protectionism and free trade is likely to continue as the global economy evolves and new challenges emerge. By understanding the arguments on both sides, we can better assess the potential benefits and risks of different trade policies and contribute to informed discussions about the future of international trade.